Hey, you. What are you doing over here, man? Oh, you just sitting down by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, well, I'm feeling a little hungry right now. You have any money for me? Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, give that to me. Yeah. This isn't yours anymore. All right, take care. What a wimp.
Man, screw this. It's over. I'm gonna train.
Hey, you. Yeah, it's payday time, baby. Well, it's empty. Got some fresh money for me?
Nah, man. We're not doing that anymore.